I've broken them into 3 areas. You're going to be nervous. That's part of it. Accept it. When you watch the Super Bowl or any sporting event and they're doing the national anthem and you're watching the speakers, the athletes, like even the football players, and they're doing the national anthem, you think they're relaxed? They're not relaxed. They have so much adrenaline running through their body, but they don't say, I'm nervous. They say, I'm ready. They say, I'm excited. And so a lot of it is how you frame it. So I like to look at 3 different ways to deal with this anxiety. One is what you do before. Certainly prepare, because if you don't prepare, you will be nervous, and you have every right to be nervous if you have no idea what you're going to be doing. And practice. Practice what you're doing, but don't practice to the point of memorizing. Please don't memorize. Why do I say that? If you memorize, you run the risk of losing track, and you don't know how to get back on track of your talk. You also don't want to write out your entire talk because you will then read it and it sounds like you're reading it. Now, there are certain situations, if you're speaking at a hearing, legal hearing, you may be reading information. But you need to make sure that it doesn't sound like you're reading when you're talking, because people will be completely turned off. You're not being authentic. Another strategy, if you're very nervous, or just a good strategy when you're speaking to a group and you don't know the people, talk to them ahead of time. Because then you get in front of the room and maybe you've spoken to 15 people in the room already and you could connect with them. It makes it a lot easier. Or I'm working with a top manager at a large company, and she said that she comes across so serious, and she happens to be from Poland, and her speaking style is very abrupt, and everybody shudders, and she never smiles, and she's the nicest woman, but she's just not coming across in a friendly way. And I said, when you get to that, and she's all keyed up at these meetings. I said, when you get to the meeting, who do you like the most in the room? And she told me the person. I said, start by talking to him. And if you talk to him, you'll be friendlier, and you'll be more pleasant, and you'll be less nervous, and then you start talking to other people. So there are strategies we can do beforehand.